From success akan ini video na. Ini video dia 2019 math exam questions class 10 equation number 27 to solve again. Prove that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Ini udah makna nanggena proof kana nanggen. Makanya if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. Ayat triangle ko salah triangle A, B, और C. तेमने ये लाइन DE या खोंगा ये लाइन BC ना पैरेलल होंगे सलाहा. तो ये लाइन DE को सालनी जमा में आना यह साइड को यह पॉइंट तो इंटरसेक्ट करेगा और यह साइड को दे यह पॉइंट DO यह साइड को दे यह पॉइंट EO इंटरसेक्ट करेगा यह साइड को दे यह पॉइंट DO इंटरसेक्ट करेगा. इंटरसेक्ट माने दे मीट करेगा यह पॉइंट तो मैं आना if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then the other two sides माने दे यह side AB और यह side EC. इको अगनिया two sides ने this one side, this side and this side. इको अगनिया the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. तो दे मेरा कहना यह side चिपकनी ratio और यह side चिपकनी ratio option होंगे. इनमें से अगनिया in the same ratio. यह को proof का इमेज होना कितना गया मेरे किसी के ना स्कंगबाओ given a triangle मायना ABC triangle ABC in which DE is DE is parallel to BC. Yeah, DE parallel to BC. Next day DE intersects AB and AC at D and E respectively. DE माने दिया DE era AB को दे पॉइंट DO इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे और यह साइड EC दे E ने यह पॉइंट EO इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे. ini zaman deh mana to prove mereka proof kan anggena AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Ne AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Ya ko proof kan anggena construction mereka construct kan anggena join BE and CD. ये BE इकहाँ join कहा आरो CD इकहाँ join कहा. ini zaman दे draw EP perpendicular to AB and DQ perpendicular to EC. EP perpendicular to AB. ये दे perpendicular symbol ने EP perpendicular to AB yan ungjok EP ये EP era या line AB ना perpendicular मा आरो ये DQ दे ये line AC ना perpendicular उसका हा ये रंग construct हा DQ perpendicular to AC and EP perpendicular to AB. So the proof since EP is perpendicular to AB, therefore EP is the height of triangle ADE and triangle DBE. Jadi ये EP era AB ना perpendicular होगा निगमन EP era triangle ADE ni height होगा और triangle DBE ये triangle के गनी ने ये सारा ADE ये सारा DBE के गनी ने option height EP. Thus AR mane de area of bracket mane de of area of triangle EDE is equal to the area of triangle ni formula ra makina half into base into height, and this is equal to half into triangle ADE ni base ra mana triangle ADE ni base te AD ini man AD into ya height ra betana EP. Mungkin bende and this is the area of triangle DBE. Yeah, triangle DBE. You have an option formula half into base into height. Today base te betana DB. Base te DB into height te yan option EP. Therefore, the area of triangle ADE ko area of triangle DBE chi divide again. So area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE equal to the yani biapo equal substitute kaskabo area of triangle ADE ni biapo half into AD into EP divided by the area of triangle DBE betana half into DB into EP half into DB into EP. The option nakpo cancel kabo ya half cancel again digna EP cancel the batasan ngungai jok AD by DB. This is equal to AD by DB. That is your equation 1 don't get. Next similarly option again the share maka ya side chibak ni huka the maka na ya side chibak ni huka again ya side chibak te my triangle dunga ADE yesara DEC ya triangle ke ini dunga option again ya side chibak ni kuba ratio again area of triangle ADE by area of triangle marks again na DEC area of triangle DE the triangle DEC equal to the area of triangle ADE yerong jok half into base te betana EE base te AE into height te DQ again DQ half into EE into DQ divided by area of triangle DEC. Area of triangle DEC de base te EC into height te DQ. Dari cancel kabo option nakabo ko ye DQ cancel ya half cancel mai dong rakiya EE by EC ya khwa don gen equation 2. But triangle DBE and triangle DEC are on the same base DE and between the same parallel lines DE and BC. So the triangle DBE and triangle DEC, a triangle DBE aru gesara triangle DEC. Yana rong jok option base DEO. Ya option base DE on ya triangle ge gini runga DBE aru DEC. Aru mana between the same parallel lines DE and BC nimna gania. Ya triangle ge ginian DE aro BC ni gisaponga. Ini gun makana area of triangle DBE de area of triangle DEC baksa apsan ponggen. So therefore area of triangle DBE is equal to area of triangle DEC, and this implies though the left hand side or right hand side unicorn reciprocal rabo reciprocal round de 1 by area of triangle DBE is 1 by area of triangle DEC. On the bracket again, taking reciprocal, taking reciprocal. Again. This implies though the American a reciprocal rani zaman de left hand side or right hand side ko area of triangle ADE chi multiply again. So area of triangle ADE into 1 kaude 1 area of triangle EDE again. So this is divided by area of triangle DBE, and this is equal to area of triangle ADE chi multiply kaude area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DEC. Area of triangle DEC. On the bracket again, machine multiplying by area of triangle ADE. Hence, the area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE. Area of triangle area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE. Patana AD by DB. Ini means again, AD by DB. AD by DB is equal to the area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC. Panon kana? Yeah. This is equal to AE by EC. Ini means again, AE by EC. On the bracket again, using 1 and 2. Using equation 1 and 2. Proved.